Hi, welcome folks. So from this video we are going to add here the select box. So you can see here in this page in general.html we have options for select, but we want search box also with the drop down or select box. So let me open the advanced.html page. So copy this up to forms and open new tab and paste here and then enter. And here you can see with general.html we have advanced.html. So let's open this, and in this page you can see here select2. It is a plugin in this dashboard, admin LT dashboard, we can use in our project. Okay, so you can see here the minimal, and you can see here we can search if we want California or Alaska. Okay, so just like this we will search our product in our project. So let's copy this minimal, copy. There are lots of minimal, so select this, select to default theme, copy this, and let's open our code editor and open new file. Let's go in pages, forms, and open advanced. Okay, and here we can copy that select2 plugin. Here cut this first, again open Ctrl+F, find, and Ctrl+V for paste, select to default theme and press enter. Okay, but it is not searching for us, so remove this. Okay, so here you can see select to default theme, and here we have option minimal. Okay, in card body, and we can copy this. This is for the multiple selection, and here this is for the single selection. So we need the single selection, so minimal, copy this, copy from here and copy this, and let's go back on our pos.php file, and here just after the barcode field paste it and save. Let's open our page, refresh, minimal. Okay, you can see here. Okay, but the search box is not working of that select2. Okay, so first remove this label, save, and what we need to do, you can see here, we need to add the CSS and JS file for this plugin. So here let me search on advanced.html the CSS file of select2 plugin. Here is data range picker, I check, color, and select2. You can see here, you can see these two files. Okay, so let's copy these two files. Let me copy. This is the CSS file. It is just above the admin LT. Okay, admin LT .min.css file, and just after this files. Okay, so copy this files, and let's go on our header.php, open our header.php. Okay, and in header, so this is our header.php, and here we can paste our select2 plugin files, CSS files. Okay, let's paste here, and let's remove this. Okay, and let's save. Okay, and just like that we need a JS files. So let's open the footer also. So in the footer we need to paste the JS files for the select2 plugin. So let's go on advanced.html and just go down in that page, and here we can find out the JS files. So you can see here the JS file of select2 plugins. So we can copy this. This is a single file we need to copy, and we will see it is work or not. So just after this, let's paste and remove this. And one thing more, we need to copy and paste in our pos.php file. Here you can see the select2. You can see here the initialize function, initialize select2 elements. So we need to copy this, copy this, select2. Okay, first of all, let's see the output. Okay, you can see here our CSS is working perfect, but the search box is not working now. So copy this and let's go back on our pos.php and come in the last, and here let's paste after the footer script, and let's close the script here. And remove this function. Okay, and let's save and let's see the output again. Now you can see here we can search now. Okay, if I want to search TEN Tennessee, or if I want to search California, I can search from here. Okay, if I want to search Texas, so I can search from here. Okay, so our code is working perfect. What I have done here, simply I just open this advanced.html file. Okay, the first step is that we need to open advanced.html, and in advanced.html we have already a plugin which name is select2, and I just search this plugin code in advanced.html file. Let me open. You can see here advanced, cut this footer and first cut this unused files from here. Okay, this is the advanced.html. okay, and what I have done here, simply I just search this select2 plugin and I just copied the code. You can see a simple code. Okay, in the second step I just copy this code and I pasted in pos.php file. And for running this select2 plugin, we need to add the CSS file and the JS file. So what I have done, simply first in the third step I just copied the CSS file. You can see here there's two files of CSS, and I have pasted this CSS file in header.php. Okay, in this file header.php, and the JS file of this select2 plugin. You can see here, for example, the fourth step. In fourth step, here is the single file of select2 plugin. So you can see here this is the JS file of select2 plugin. This single file I just copied from here and add or paste in my footer.php file. And in the fifth step, what I have done, simply this two function, or I can copy the single function, not we don't need of this initialize function. Okay, so but I'm using here both of them because maybe in the future we will use this also. Okay, so that's why I copied both and I just paste this two method in the script, inside the script after the footer in my pos.php page. Okay, I have pasted here, and after this our code is working now. Okay, now we will fetch out the data from the database instead of this data. You can see here the static data. We will fetch out the data from the database. This will be the dynamic data, and we can search from the database. Okay, so we will write the query for that in the next videos. I hope you got this. If you don't understand what I have teach here, so you can ask me the question. So don't worry, don't confuse. You can ask me the question, I will reply you. So we will continue from the next video. We will add the table here after this search box. Okay, so see you next video.